So hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel Beginnertopro, and in this video you will learn C program to check whether a number is even or odd. And if you are new to my channel, then subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that notification of my new video can reach you. So let's go to a start. So first, what is even and odd number? So first, even number. So an even number is an integer that is exactly divisible by 2. For example, 0, 8, 10, 12. So all are even number. So next, odd number. So an odd number is an integer that is not exactly divisible by 2. For example, 1, 7, minus 11, 15, 70. So all are odd number. So next, write C program to write a C program to check whether a number is odd or even. So let's open your terminal and create .c file. So change directory because I am creating .c file is my desktop directory. So my directory is changed. So we can see here my current directory is desktop directory. So type simple command touch and file name. So odd even. So odd even.c and then click enter. So we can see here odd even.c file is created. So let's open .c file and write here your C program. So first, header file has include studio.h, and next int name, and next open curly braces, and next using int and num because odd even number is also a integer number, so using int and semicolon, and next printf. So enter an integer number. So print a message, enter an integer number. So enter an integer number, semicolon, and next using scanf. So using %d. So any integer number is also declare a %d. So using here %d. And num, close bracket and semicolon, and next using if. So if num %2 equal to 0 and close bracket. So true if num is perfectly divisible by 2. So now next printf, and using %d. So %d is even. So %d is even. So here declare even number. %d is even, double inverted comma, and num, close bracket, semicolon, and next using else, and here declare your odd number. So printf %d is even, double inverted comma, and using num and semicolon, and next using return 0 semicolon, and next close the curly braces. So here your program is done. So check whether a number is even or odd. So even odd number program is done. So next save the program. So we can see guys here odd. So here your odd event.c program is saved. So next open your terminal and compile and run your odd even program. So change directory, D capital. So my directory is changed. So type command gcc and the file name, so odd even dot c mycase output -o, and then test, and then click enter. So we can see guys your odd even program is successfully run. So next compile it, dot slash and test, and then enter. So enter an integer number, so enter 8, and then click enter. So we can see here 8 is even number. So 8 is also a even number because 8 is divisible by 2. So exactly divisible by 2. So now next check 3 and then enter. So 3 is odd. So 3 is also a odd number. So thanks for watching, and please like, share and subscribe. Darling, I've been tempted by the darkness.